Worksheet 11 for class 9th. The question number 1. If x plus 1 by x equal to root 3, evaluate x cube plus 1 by x cube. The question number 1 from chapter Polynomials. X plus 1 by x equal to root 3. Find the value of x cube plus 1 by x equal. Taking cube both sides. Cubing both sides. The formula of x plus 1 by x whole cube equal to root 3 cube. A plus b whole cube. The formula of it is equal to the a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. Using this formula, the x cube plus 1 by x whole cube, 3ab means 3 into x into 1 by x, a plus b. Cube of root 3, it means root 3 multiplied by 3 times. Okay. Now, x cube plus 1 by x cube, this is equal to the 3, and x plus 1 by x equal to root 3. And cube is this 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, root 3. X cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3. 3 root 3 equal to 0. The value of x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 0. Question number 2 for the question number 2 of the chapter Quadrilaterals. In the given figure, D, E and F are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and AC. D, E and F are the midpoints of AB, BC and AC respectively of triangle ABC. Show that triangle ABC is divided into 4 congruent triangles by joining the point D, E, F. The ABC is divided into 4 congruent triangles, means triangle ADE, DBF, DEF, EFC. These are the 4 congruent triangles. This is the figure. Okay. Now D and E are the midpoints of D and E are the midpoints of AB and BC. D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of BC respectively. Therefore, D midpoint, it means DE parallel to AC, DE parallel to AC. मिड पॉइंट है तो ये लाइन क्या होगी, इसके पैरेलल बाय द थ्योरम ऑफ मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम, बाय मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम. Similarly, DF, this line is parallel to BC. By the midpoint theorem, D and F are the midpoint of AB and AC. Therefore, DF parallel to BC. And EF, this line parallel to AB. EF parallel to AB. Okay. Therefore, all are parallelogram. B, D, F, E is a parallelogram because opposite sides are parallel. This line parallel to this parallel to this. B, D, E, F is a parallelogram and so on. A, D, E, F, B, D, F, E and D, F, C, E are all parallelogram. पैरेललोग्राम क्यों है? क्योंकि अपोजिट साइड्स क्या हैं? पैरेलल। अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल होने से क्या बनेगा? पैरेललोग्राम। अब देखिए इसमें डी इज ए डायगोनल। इस पैरेललोग्राम का डी क्या है? डायगोनल, और डायगोनल डिवाइड्स ए पैरेललोग्राम इनटू टू कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स। ओके, दिस इज द थ्योरम। लिखेंगे डी इज diagonal of parallelogram BDFE. Okay, therefore triangle BDE congruent to triangle FED. FED means this triangle congruent to this. By the theorem, the diagonal लिख देंगे डायगोनल डिवाइड्स ए पैरेललोग्राम इनटू टू कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स। ओके, तो सिमिलरली अब ये भी एक पैरेललोग्राम है इधर वाला, इसमें EF एक डायगोनल है, तो ये इसके कॉन्ग्रुएंट। सिमिलरली सारे आपस में क्या हो जाएंगे? कॉन्ग्रुएंट। सिमिलरली ट्रायंगल DAF कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू FED, और दूसरा वाला इधर ऊपर में ट्रायंगल EFC इन कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल FED। जब ये ट्रायंगल इसके कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, ये इसके कॉन्ग्रुएंट, ये इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? ऑल द फोर ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, देयरफॉर ऑल द फोर ट्रायंगल्स आर congruent. Okay, question number 3, prove that equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the centers. Okay, this is a theorem. Equal chords of circle subtend equal angles at the centers. Okay, this is a circle, two equal chords. Suppose one chord is here, AB, and CD. Second chord is CD. These are the two equal chords. Prove that makes an equal angle with the center. It means angle AOB equal to angle COD. We have to prove angle AOB equal to AOC. यहाँ पर हम लोग लिखेंगे given AB and CD are the chords of a circle with center at O, such that AB equal to CD. Okay, now to prove angle AOB equal to angle COD. Very simple proof. We can prove by congruency. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, AO equal to CO, radii of same circle, BO equal to DO, the same radii of same circle, and AB equal to CD given. Equal chords are given. Triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD by S criteria. Therefore, angle AOB equal to angle COD D by CPCT. This angle equal to AOP equal to COD by CPCT. Hence proved. The question number 4 from construction. Draw any exterior angle of a triangle using compass and bisect it. कंस्ट्रक्शन में कह रहा है कि एक ट्रायंगल है, कोई भी ट्रायंगल बना है और उसका एक्सटीरियर एंगल, दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल, और इसको बाइसेक्ट करना है, बस दिस इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन. मेक ए ट्रायंगल ABC and exterior angle ACD and bisect it. Okay. Question number 5. The length and breadth of a hall are in the ratio 4:3 and the height is 550 centimeter. Cost of decorating its wall on Diwali at rupees 6.60 per square meter is rupees 5082. Find length and breadth of the room. It is given that length into breadth is the ratio 4:3 and height equal to 550 centimeter. So we can say that 5.5 meter. Okay. If length suppose मान लेते हैं 4x and breadth equal to 3x. Length 4x, breadth 3x. Okay. The total cost equal to the lateral surface area into rate per square meter. जितना भी कॉस्ट है, टोटल कॉस्ट जितना है उसके हिसाब से रेट का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. टोटल कॉस्ट इज गिवन दैट 5082 and the lateral surface area 2 times L plus B into H and rate is given that 6.60. Okay. Now solve 2 times L plus B यानी 4x plus 3x, H is 5.5 into 6.6, 7x 2 into 7x into 5.5 into 6.6. Okay, the x equal to 5082 divided by 2 into 7 14, 6.6. Eliminate decimal both side and put 100. Okay. Now cancel by 11. 11 5s are 55 and it is equal to the 4 6 2 406 11 से काटे हैं, फिर 11 से काट सकते हैं 6 टाइम्स ये 42, फिर 6 से काटेंगे 6 7 42, नेक्स्ट 7/2 एंड 5 × 2 10 0, यानी x इक्वल टू आ गया 10। आप अपने से कैंसिल करके देखिए, x इक्वल टू 10, देन लेंथ इक्वल टू 4x मीन्स 4 × 10 40 मीटर, and breadth 3x 3 × 10 it means 30 meter. Okay, last question from probability. Two coins are tossed 1000 times and the outcomes are recorded as below. Number of heads 2 1 and 0, frequency 200 550 250. Based on this information, find the probability for at most one head. At most one head मतलब मैक्सिमम एक ही हेड आना चाहिए, तो मैक्सिमम वन हेड किस में आएगा, इसमें, और 0 में, मतलब एट मोस्ट वन हेड का मतलब 1 या 1 से कम भी हो सकता है, लेकिन 1 से ज़्यादा हेड नहीं होने चाहिए, तो इसलिए एट मोस्ट वन हेड की क्या होगी 550 + 250. The total outcomes is given that 1000. Total outcomes 1000. Okay, number of favorable outcomes for at most one head. (250 + 550 equal to 800. Okay, now the probability getting at most one head equal to 800 by 1000 equal to 4/.